today's word of the day by Saichu and Worship.
Today's word of the day is responsibility, something that is your job or duty to deal with.
Usage means taking a responsibility as a nurse very seriously. Thank you.
Now we have an inspiring thought by Kartika. Today's thought is, it is easy to dodge our responsibilities, but we cannot dodge the consequences of dodging our responsibilities. Thank you.
Let us call our friends to recite a poem.
My wonderful family, I love dearly. From my heart, I speak sincerely. They make me laugh all the time. Help me up when I need to climb. I know my family truly cares. They don't judge me or compare. Always welcome me with open arms. They make sure nothing harms. I love my family every day. With this poem, I wish to convey. I know they may be little strange, but I hope they never ever change. Thank you. Now I call upon Kartik and Ketan to share a message on importance of family. Good morning. I am going to tell about importance of family. Family is where we all belong to and from where our identity comes from. A person is valued based on his upbringing and family. We all belong to a family, and it is our family that keeps us together through thick and thin. Without having a family, no person is complete, and completeness comes with good family bonding. A close family bond is like a safe harbor where we feel secure and we trust that we have someone always there to whom we could turn to when we need them the most. This bonding helps us to build a trust and hope that no matter what, we have people to be with us in our toughest times. It is through our family that we learn the value of love, trust, hope, belief, culture, morals, traditions, and every little matter that concerns to us.
A strong foundation from any individual comes from being with a supportive family. So let us love our own family and be responsible with them. Thank you.
Thank you, Kartik and Ketan, for your message. Next, we have a moral skit by our friends.
Father is busy with the newspaper. Mother is in the kitchen. Grandpa is having his morning tea and Grandma is attending to her morning prayer. Abhi, you will be late for your school again. Hurry up. Abhi busy with playing toys. Abhi, Mama is calling. Abhi still busy with toy and not bothering. Abhi! Abhi runs out of the room not properly dressed and him and his sister are going to be late for school because of him. Abhi and Ananya, you are late for school. Abhi and Ananya, you are late. Again, do I have to remind you to be on time every day? Sorry, sir. The children return from school. Abhi is seen throwing his stuff all around the house. Abhi, why are you so reckless with things? Please pick up your things and keep them where they belong. Ananya, why don't you help your brother? Abhi ignores his mother's words and goes out to play, while the sister cleans up after him. The family has sat down for supper. Everybody is waiting for Abhi while he is busy playing with paper rockets. Suddenly, paper rocket falls into the grandpa's sleigh. Abhi, what is this? Have you forgotten how to behave and respect elders? Abhi stops playing and the whole situation is drowned up in silence. Abhi is upset and sad and is sulking in a corner. Come here, Abhi. How many times have I told you to be good? Look at your sister, how organized and well behaved she is. You are a good boy, but you can be better if you become a little more responsible with things. Next day morning, Abhi is up early and is ready for school along with his sister. By seeing such great change in Abhi's nature, the whole family was very pleased. Abhi understands the importance of respecting his elders. Moral: it is very important to be responsible. Being responsible and respectful leads to a happy family. Thank you. Thank you, friends, for your skit. Let us sing birthday song for our birthday friends. My name is Prana. My class is 2A. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaibhav from 5th C. I request HMM to address the assembly.
Good morning, children. Good morning, teachers, and welcome, parents. Did we learn something from today's assembly? What was that? Responsibility towards family. Are we learning many things even in our family also? Yes? Very good. So does anybody remember what is the acronym for family? The other day Principal Sir had addressed in the assembly. Can I have somebody from class 3? Please come up.
Father and mother, I love you. Father and mother, I love you.
Very good. Clap hands for them. So they show they are attentive. Very good. That's nice, children. Today's assembly was well presented. Clap hands for class 4D. Thank you. May I now call upon Principal Sir to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. You can see in front of me a big World Cup trophy. Okay. So let me first call the captain of under 13 team, Vishnu, the vice captain Jagdish, and the entire team should have. As I told on Saturday, we had a final match with DPS Bangalore at DPS Nacharam, and our school has won the under 13 cricket match. And there are children from class 5, class 4, class 7 and 8 were done as proud. One amongst you from class 4 is Bhagar. Bhagar, come forward. We also got 25,000 cash prize. So now you understood the importance of sports as well as academics. You have to maintain balance between academics and sports. You must play some game, make yourself the best, right? So let me call the coach, Mr. Srihari Yadav, because he is the man behind all the success. Clap for Sir out. Jana Prakash also, who played extremely well, and he is the person, he is a child who has scored in the last over to get the match in our favor. So Jana Prakash and Kanak.
Good morning, everybody. Actually, I am not the man who should speak here. It's Gyan Prakash. So, okay, I speak on behalf of him. So, we had started the match on last Friday. So, we were playing in IICT. It was a nice experience. First, we started with the red ball, the glazed ball.
And then during the semi-finals, we had played with the white ball, which the international players play. So we say we crashed the tournament here. We played very well. Gyana scored some huge scores. Vishnu took many wickets, and Bhargav, the youngest player, he picked up 8 wickets. So 9 or 8, very good ball, very well ball. And we have received 25,000 cash prize, and the 17,000 will be having it, and 8,000 we are going to donate it for the orphanage. So thank you. Now I invite Gyana to speak.
So, many congrats once again. The best part of it, as Pranay has told us now, they are keeping 17,000 rupees with them, right? And donating 8,000 rupees to the orphanage. Big hand for them. Thank you.
Let us conclude today's assembly by singing national anthem with pride.
School. Attention. Studies. Attention. Stand straight. Look forward, all of you. National anthem. Attention! Assembly dispersed, 3rd to 5th class subaltern and only 6th to 10th class girls subaltern.